This is a walkthrough of room 2124 at Seneca Niagara, and it has to be said this casino and location were towards the top end of my list when I had my must-dos for Bridger Across America. I've always wanted to see Niagara Falls since I was a kid, so Jules kindly included it in the itinerary. So we're just about to head down there to have a look. I'll probably only get time to see the American side. I've heard the Canadian side is a lot nicer, but there's only so much you can fit in. We are packing in so much during this trip. The journey to get here was absolutely superb. I don't think we put the foot on the brake, but it was still a fairly long drive. Got here at 4:15 and left at 7:30-ish with an hour for lunch at Cornerstone Casino. So there's your safe and fridge for your own stuff, and the bed over there. It's a very nice clean room, and then it looks over and there is all of the spray from the falls. Now again, I'm probably not going to have a chance to go to the Canadian casinos. I think there's two over that side. But again, because we've just got one night really, I say there's only so much you can fit in, and there's a whole load of people coming to Seneca to say hello, so I cannot wait. So that is a king room facing the falls at Seneca Niagara. Let's go and see the falls.